Welcome to the Golden Lamb. This week's recipe is giblet gravy without giblets, which is basically an onion gravy. So to start out, you melt some butter, about 8 tablespoons in a cast iron skillet. Add your sliced onions and get them all coated with the butter. And then you're basically going to cook these for 2 hours on super low heat. And the result after a couple hours is going to be coming up here in a second. This is after about 5 minutes. Okay, this is what they look like after 2 hours of slowly cooking. And what you're going to do at this point is you're going to build your roux. So you're going to add flour and you're going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then you're going to add chicken stock and then you're going to stir it till it thickens. And you want the thickness to be right about that. Then you're going to take this mixture, throw it in your blender, blend it up, and boom, you are good to go. You've got some fantastic gravy.